The altitude of right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. Let base x height is 7 less than base means x minus 7. Hypotenuse is 17. Right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse square 17 square is equal to base square x square plus height square x minus 7 bracket square. 17 square 289 is equal to x square, x minus 7 bracket square first term square x square, twice the product two term minus 14x, second term square 49. 289 is equal to x square plus x square 2x square minus 14x plus 49. Transfer 289 we get minus 289 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 14x. 49 minus 289 minus 240 is equal to 0. 2x square divide 2 x square minus 14x divide 2 minus 7x minus 240 divide 2 minus 120 is equal to 0. X square minus 15x plus 8 minus 120 is equal to 0. Product 120 subtraction minus 7. Factor is minus 15 plus 8. X square minus 7x splitting into term minus 15x plus 8x minus 120 is equal to 0. X square in first pair x common. X square divide x minus 15x divide x minus 15. In second pair 8 common. 8x divide 8x minus 120 divide 8 minus 15 is equal to 0. X minus 15 common, another bracket x plus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 15 is equal to 0 or x plus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to transfer minus 15 we get plus 15 or x is equal to transfer plus 8 we get minus 8.